Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Astrology Chat for June 23rd, 2023. So today's keys are to let yourself be okay with the contradictory energies that you feel. There is going to be a sense of the day that you really want to get things done, you want to organize, you want to understand, and you want to plan. And let yourself lean into that energy. But it's also going to be necessary to understand what you are planning for and in many ways what you are planning to move away from. And if you allow yourself to embrace the balance of being aware of what you want to do and where you want to go, and in many ways knowing you're not all the way there, but still being okay with the fact that you're working towards it, then you're going to be moving in a good direction. And so there's a natural flux that you're going to need to develop understanding and compassion for yourself about so that you can slowly build towards where you want to go. And I say this because we have the moon in Virgo. When the moon is in Virgo, this is about organizing, it's about planning, it's about your health, it's about the order. This is the house that opposes Pisces. So to make your dreams come true, you need a plan, and even water needs a vessel to have form. And so if you allow yourself to go between the sense of feeling and thinking and knowing and intuiting with also understanding, studying, and building, then you're going to make some very significant brushes during the day or advancements during the day. And so I say this also because we have the moon is going to be making an opposition to Saturn, which brings in that kind of heavier energy where you're going to have to really let yourself be aware of, yes, some of your failures or some of the things that you still have yet to understand or that you're working on developing maturity with. And also a square to Venus where there's going to be this sense of like, I know what I want, I know what I desire, I know how much I really want it, but I'm not quite sure how to get there. But thankfully, we do have a trine to Jupiter that is going to help you see the expansion and see the growth, and also remind you to be mindful and grateful for what you do have and what you have accomplished. You don't know all the answers, and that's okay. You're not supposed to. What you are supposed to do is give yourself the room and the understanding and the compassion to find your way to them. And on the upside, we have the sun making a beautiful trine to Saturn, which enables you to, while emotionally on one level, you're like, I haven't gotten this yet. The sun energy trine Saturn is like, oh, but I can work it out. I can figure it out. I can feel my way into it. And this energy is actually really beautiful, especially since there is this invitation with that conjunction to Mercury to let yourself think about it and talk about it and consider it in a different way. Now, I also want to highlight the fact that we have Mars square Uranus, and this is a bit of a wild card energy in the sense that it'll make you like really independent and really driven, and you want to act and move in a different way. You want to expand yourself and understand yourself and harness that warrior energy. And if you do this in a way that is focus on mindful independence and over that long term, instead of just feeling like I'm going to burn everything to the ground and figure it out. Although, again, sometimes a controlled burn is necessary. Just make sure you're harnessing the discontent into patience, and that you're allowing your dreams to come into fruition instead of fighting yourself into being upset that you don't have them. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.